what happens when hate speech is no longer just words, but a weapon? A weapon used to divide, to instill fear, to silence entire communities. In India, a shocking study reveals a dangerous reality, one where hate isn't just growing, it's being systematically fueled.
क्या आपकी मेहनत की कमाई का पैसा घुसपैठियों को दिया जाएगा? आपको मंजूर है ये?
Who is behind it and what does it mean for the future of our country?
Anti-minority hate speech skyrocketed by 74.4% in 2024 compared to the previous year, a report from Washington DC-based India Hate Lab revealed. A staggering 1,165 incidents of hate speech were recorded, with nearly 98.5% of them targeting Muslims, either explicitly or alongside Christians. And here's the alarming part. 79.9% of these events took place in states ruled by the BJP. Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, the top three states, all governed by the BJP, accounted for the majority of these incidents. The study suggests this is no coincidence but part of a deliberate pattern. Key political figures are at the center of this rise. UP CM Yogi Adityanath delivered 86 hate speech incidents, while Prime Minister Narendra Modi made 67 recorded speeches in 2024 alone. These inflammatory statements were further spread by BJP leaders, far-right Hindutva groups and religious organizations.
आपको मंजूर है ये? ये कांग्रेस का मैनिफेस्टो कह रहा है कि वो माताओं बहनों का सोने का हिसाब करेंगे, उसकी जड़ती करेंगे, जानकारी लेंगे और फिर
Divisive rhetoric was weaponized for political gain during the general elections. The collapse of Sheikh Hasina's government in Bangladesh fueled anti-Muslim sentiment within India. And social media? It's just making things worse. These platforms don't just spread hate, they amplify it. Platforms like Facebook and YouTube played a major role, with 495 hate speech videos on Facebook alone. Even more disturbing, 266 hate speeches from senior BJP leaders were live-streamed across multiple platforms, reaching millions.
पहला अधिकार मुसलमानों का है।
इतना ताकत मुसलमान में नहीं है, वो लोग सीधा इसको इस्लामिक कंट्री बना देगा।
गौ माता को सभी देवताओं का वास मानते, उसकी पूजा करते हैं।
Population jihad, rail jihad, economic jihad, halal jihad, thook jihad, UPSC jihad. The rise of jihad-based conspiracy theories is another disturbing trend. From love jihad to vote jihad, even Prime Minister Modi himself promoted these narratives, painting Muslims as a systematic threat to Hindus. Hate speech is no longer just a political tool. It has become ingrained in India's political culture. Rakib Hamid Nayak states, it is no longer just an instrument of communal polarization, but shockingly, a standard feature of Indian political culture and electoral campaigns, institutional structures, and social fabric. When hate becomes a political tool, who pays the price? History has shown us that unchecked hate speech can lead to real-world violence, deepening divides. The question is not whether this trend will continue, it's whether we as a society will allow it to. Will we hold those in power accountable, or will we allow hate to define the future of our nation?